For connecting the RF jumper to antenna connection, check the flange should be round and smooth as shown in figure 2. Straighten the cable 100 mm from the connector as shown in figure 2. Connect the jumper cable to the device properly. Tighten the connector using torque wrench. For 4.3-10 male connector, we should use 5 Newton meter. Slide the boot clockwise until it stops on the connector flange. Check the fitment of the boot. Ensure that no bulging on both surface of the boot, top as well as bottom. Attention! No damage on the cable, boot, connector during installation. Don't squeeze the circumference of the boot after installation, as this can cause future water ingress during operations. Removing of jumper from antenna. First, rotate anti-clockwise on the boot and push towards the cable side. Remove the boot properly. Then, by using torque wrench, loose the connectors and remove the RF jumpers from the antenna.